All right, Chris, new month. We need a new giveaway. What are we going to give away this month?
We know how to regulate.
Regulators!
Welcome back to Free Beer Friday. We have a great giveaway to give away this month, but before that, we got to give away all the stuff we gave away last month, and we had a ton of winners. And the biggest one was our jacketed X2 Conical. And man, that thing's awesome. We put out so many good videos for that, so hopefully you check those out. But the big winner of the jacketed X2 Conical is
Hello from Virginia.
Congratulations.
Hello from Virginia.
All right, you're gonna love this X2. I got to brew on it with a couple friends last weekend. My beer's in there fermenting. It is holding temperature beautifully. More ports than I could shake a stick at, with all kinds of cool things you can do on it. You're gonna love this. It is next gen.
Congratulations to our gift card winners. We had so many great comments last month, and we hope to get them again this month. And winner number 1 is here.
Winner number 2, you're right here. All right, the next one up, we've got 2 tickets to Paradise. Actually, 2 tickets to Spring Brews Fest, which is basically Paradise. So they're right here. See you guys there. Make sure you swing by Tasty's Tasting Room and have some of the great homebrew.
This month, we're gonna be giving away more gift cards to those who comment below. So tell us about your draft setup, or ask us any questions about draft or DuoTights, or how to assemble something. We'd be happy to answer them, and we just love those comments. Last month, a lot of you took advantage of the discount code we had on hops. Vito, what do we got going on this month?
So kind of keeping with the theme of what we got, a draft, we're going DuoTights. So you get 20% off DuoTights, which there's tons of different products. So go check that out. That's on our Free Beer Friday page to get that coupon code, and check out the DuoTights.
It's time for another monthly giveaway.
This month, we have some awesome prizes for you guys. So first off, we have 2 of the KOMOS Kegging kits. And these come with all the fittings you see here. We'll give away 2 of those, and you'll get to choose your keg size. And then we are also giving away this awesome regulator board. You have 4 different regulators, so you can have 4 different pressures going to each keg, dialed in perfect.
This thing's amazing. Going from bottling to kegging is just a great way to go. You've got 1 vessel to fill instead of 54 different bottles. It's DuoTight, so it's super easy to put together. You're gonna love this. It's gonna save you time. It's gonna put beer on draft for you. It's the way to go.
And even if you've already got a draft setup, having a spare one is huge. And if you're going from what we both had before with the flexible tubing and the hose clamps, once you make this switch, you'll never want to go back. And this regulator is awesome. I first saw it in Olin's video, link above, and thought I need one of those for myself. So we built one to give away to you, and I'm gonna build one to put on my kegerator. The idea, 1 pressure coming in, and I can dial in each pressure to each keg perfectly. I can be carbonating on one. I can have a carbonated water or seltzer on another, and I can have a high pressure beer such as a Berliner Weiss and a low pressure beer such as a standard pale ale, all off of 1 CO2 tank.
All right, so go to morebeer.com/freebeerfriday to enter. There's multiple ways to enter. You're gonna wanna win this.
We got a lot of great stuff going on this month. First, Patrick is gonna show us taking apart his keezer and how he's using DuoTights to replace everything.
The other thing we got coming up is what to put in those. Hint, hint, might be drinking it right now.
And lastly, we're gonna be building all the prizes we're giving away this month so you can see how they go together so easy.
We've got a lot going on. It's draft month. We'll see you guys around. Cheers.